Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set the time in your Audi Q3. First, locate the MMI control panel, usually found in the center console. This is your primary interface for adjusting vehicle settings. You'll use the main control knob and surrounding buttons to navigate through the menus. Getting familiar with these controls will make the process much smoother and quicker for you. Once you've located the MMI controls, press the dedicated Menu button. This action will bring up the main menu on your display screen. Next, carefully rotate the large central control knob to highlight either Setup or Settings, depending on your specific Audi Q3 model. After highlighting, press down on the knob to confirm your choice and proceed. Within the Date and Time menu, you will find the option for time. Select this by rotating and pressing the control knob. Now, you can adjust the hours and minutes. Rotate the knob to change the value, then press it to move to the next segment, like from hours to minutes. Take your time to ensure accuracy. After setting the correct time, it's important to select your appropriate time zone for precise local time. For ultimate convenience, enable the GPS synchronization feature. This allows your Audi Q3 to automatically update its time using satellite signals. Finally, navigate back through the menus and exit to ensure all your new time settings are saved and applied.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.